What's up, everybody? It's Josh again at Apex Overland, giving you the shop update for the week. We have Sweet Brown 80 in for the probably next month or two. Getting ready to cut the back of it off, make it a 2-door, 2-bed. So it's going from an 80 to a 2-door, 2-bed. We've got a customer in right now with a Heritage Edition working out his build. He'll be here in a couple weeks. This morning we knocked out a roof rack on a Subaru Outback. It was a 2019. It's a Prinsu roof rack. Got some links for this, so parts are starting to come in for it. It'll be 4-link rear, 3-link the front, 80 axles, rad flow, air struts. It's gonna be awesome. All right, let's show you what's going on with the 80 here. All right, so Trey stripped most of the back of it out. I pulled the headliner out just a while ago. That's it, laying against the wall up there. Get ready to start taking out the wiring and everything, because the whole back half of this is about to go away. Rough plan for what it is. Not bad for someone who can't draw. 2-door, 2-bed. Jill's Tundra is almost done with parts. Put the C4 rear bumper on it last week. The C4 sliders. Graphics have been done. We got the tow mirrors on. Front bumper's been done. Warren winch inside it. We had the grill wrapped, so the only real chrome she has are just little accents in there, like the Toyota badge, the lights, the badging on the side, little things here and there. Solar is already done on it. I've got to do some like wiring of the lights in the back, but it is almost done. Rear storage in the back, I haven't done anything yet. The Dometic's still ratchet strapped in. It's going to come out on a slider. This side's going to be open and left open because it is our work truck and tow rig for here at Apex, so we need room. Like, we just got back getting tires, so plans for the back of this is our daughter, who is 7. This whole will make a fold down, so it'll come fold down and she'll have a bed. And then it'll also give us a little step to get up in the tent, so the other 3 of us. The wiring's already cleaned up. We're gonna make a little battery box tray up there for it, so this will be done here this winter project. John is taking his roof rack off and going to winter setup, so his tent over there on the front of the forklift is getting ready to come off, or it is off. He's drilling holes in the C4 crossbars to mount the front runner rack on. Jill's roof rack on her Tundra is together. I just gotta get around to drilling holes in the roof to mount it. We've got gobies to install, front bumpers to install, those are sliders, and then a lot more parts for this week's upcoming installs. But that is the quick shop update. We'll add some more on the next couple days. The 80, I'm not going to cover too much. We're going to have a couple videos for that getting done. Never cut a back of an 80 series off, made it a 2-door, so we're going to learn this one together. I've got ideas. I've done some stuff similar to that, but never done an 80. It's going to be interesting. We're gonna figure it out. All right, the end of the day afternoon update for you guys. We got Trey's 80 tore down on the inside. All the wiring harness and everything is done. The 4Runner, the shop 4Runner, Apex 4Runner, went for alignment. The Tundra got a little more work done to it. I'll have a video about that later. And then working on OEX's Hilux here. 4-door diesel Hilux. Didn't come factory turbo. It's got a turbo on it. It's got some running issues. I'm gonna diagnose that. We'll have a video about that. But thanks for subscribing, like, and share.